see a presentation about Industry 4.0, what do they show you? Brand new factories built from the ground up with perfect layouts, new equipment, and the latest technology. That's a Greenfield project. The reality for most American manufacturing is the Brownfield projects. Facilities that are 20, 30, even 50 years old with decades of undocumented changes. The biggest question that we get from our customers is how can we possibly bring modern technology and efficiency into a space with so many unknowns? It's a challenge that paralyzes many companies from even moving forward. Today, I'll show you how it's not only possible, but practical. Let me give you a real-world example. A company decided to install a new automated production line. They planned the project using the only information that they had, blueprints from the 90s. The equipment arrives, the contractors arrive, and the installation begins. During installation, they identify a critical support column that wasn't on any drawing. They then discover that the floor isn't as level as they assumed. The entire project halts. The result? A 6-week delay and a budget overrun of nearly 20%. This is the classic Brownfield Trap. It's the expensive consequence of making decisions based on outdated, unreliable information. So how do you avoid this trap? You stop guessing and you start measuring. The single most important first step in any Brownfield project is to create a new, accurate source of truth. We do this with reality capture technology. A scanner sits in your facility and in a matter of hours captures millions of data points. It helps create a complete millimeter accurate 3D model of your facility exactly as it is today. Every column, every pipe, every variation in the floor. This digital model becomes your reliable foundation. It eliminates the assumptions and the risks that come with working in an older space. Once you have this digital foundation, modernization is no longer a gamble. It becomes an engineering exercise. With that model, we can digitally design and install your new equipment with 100% confidence that it will fit. We can run process simulations to optimize the flow of materials and people within your existing walls. We can even use that scan as the basis for a digital twin to improve the management of your existing assets. The 3D scan is the key that unlocks the door to every other Industrial 4.0 capability for a Brownfield site. It makes the modern smart factory possible even in a 50-year-old plant. Modernizing an old facility isn't about ignoring its history. It's about accurately capturing that history so that you can confidently engineer its future. At DSI, we specialize in these complex real-world projects. We bring the tools and the deep industrial engineering expertise required to deliver modern performance within your existing footprint. If you're ready to build your plant's future on a foundation of certainty, connect with us for a consultation.